Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. My video for you today is our product pre-order haul. And what this is when we went to On Stage last week, we were given an opportunity to pre-order some of the product. What I'm about to show you today is just a small part of what's in the celebration and the mini catalog. Okay, so I'm going to get these out of the way. I wish I could open them, but I cannot do that until January. I'm going to start with the Designer Series paper, and this is the pack that's called Best Dressed. It is one of my favorites, and I'm just going to show you both sides. So this is the first side and the second side. Let's see, this is the first and then the second. The first and then the second. Side one. Side two, side three. I said that wrong, didn't I? Maybe I should just stop talking, right? And just show you the product. I love this one. It's my favorite. This one, and this one. This one, and this one. Okay. Oh, I love this one too. And the final one. Okay, so again, ooh, I love that. So this is called Best Dressed. These are the 6x6 stacks. The next pack of paper is called Peaceful Poppies. So side one, side two. Side one. And awesome, side two. I should say A and B. A and B. Let's see, I have one too many. A and B. A and B. Okay, we're done with that one. The next pack of paper is called Tropical Oasis. So this is the A side, and this is the B side. A and B. Yay, pineapples. A and B. A and B. I will be offering Designer Series paper shares when we get closer, when we're allowed to offer them. A and B. A and B. The next pack of paper is called Parisian Blossoms. And we have the A side and the B side. A and B. 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 Pretty paper, isn't it? The next pack is called Lily Impressions. So we have A and B. A and B. A, B, A, B, and let's see, I think I have one too many. Yep, A and B, and A and B. The next pack of paper is the Country Club. And my favorite on this pack of paper is actually the B side. So this is B and this is A. I'm doing these in reverse. This is the B side This is the A side. That's a golf cart. Now this is the A side, and this is the B side. This is my favorite. This is the B side, and this is the A side. B and A. I like the B side better on this one, so this is the B side, this is the A side. You'll have to tell me what your favorite is. This is From My Heart Specialty Designer Series paper. So side 1, side 2. A and B. A and B. This is the shiny paper. So this is A and B. A and B. And then A and B. I love our Valentine paper this year. Okay, so now I'm going to cover the bundles that we have. I'm going to start with Under My Umbrella. So here's the stamp set, and here's the coordinating punch. So that will be a bundle. Next we have the Timeless Tulips. So a coordinating punch. We love when that happens, right? The next bundle is Heartfelt, and we have a regular heart and then a scallop heart. Yay! And they're punches. I love punches. And I know my customers do too. Okay, so now we're going to move to some stamp sets that have coordinating dies. So Mountain Air. And then here is the coordinating dies. Okay. The next one is Dress to Impress. And here is the coordinating die. So this is a handbag, a bag. And you will cut 2 of these to get your cute bag. And it actually has 2 sheets. So it's got a lipstick, a high heel, and then all the buckles for the bag. Really cute. That one's going to be popular. Okay, the next one is Heart to Heart. And here is the die. This is a celebration item. So cute. It's a host item. So the little ladybugs is a host set that's available during celebration. So yeah, you're going to want that one for sure. It's one of my favorites. Sending You Thoughts is another celebration item. Happy Birthday to You is another celebration item. And the Gang's All Mirror. Isn't it so cute? I love it. Okay. The next one. Now that was a celebration one too. Okay. Forgot to tell you that. Now we have Painted Poppies. And here are the coordinating dies. Love these. Then we have Peaceful Moments. These don't fit inside here, so I put it next to them. It coordinates with the Poppy bundle. And then next we have My Meadow. A couple other items to show you. We have 2 new embossing folders. So we have the Parisian Flourish, which is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you're going to have to get this one right away. I love it. And then the next one is the Coastal Weave. That's a little more masculine, but both of them are the 3D embossing folders. Okay, now we have these little note cards. Let me show you. You get 3 different colors. And then here are the note cards. So we've got that color, and that color. Okay, this is the Peaceful Poppies Elements. So these are pretty. They're really pretty. They're kind of like when we get our paper pumpkin kit. So we just punch everything out and you have your elements there. This is the Memories and More card pack. It's the Tropical Oasis. And I won't spend too much time on this, so I'll just kind of fan it. There's some really good ones in here, though. So you like to use these for card making, or if you're a scrapbooker, it does have these sheets of stickers. It's a really, really nice one. I was telling everyone this morning, these are going to be perfect for those of us that are going on the incentive trip with Stampin' Up! Okay, I have a few more items to show you, but we're almost done. So Forever Blossoms, and this is the coordinating die, so that would be a bundle. Then we've got Timeless Tropical. This goes with the Island Oasis product. And look, we have a pineapple die. Here's the top of it. See? Cute, cute, cute. This one's going to be popular too. Lovely Lily Pad. This is actually a celebration item. So the stamp set is one item, and then the coordinating dies, which I have covered those up, are another item. So it's two different celebration choices. Okay. Parisian Beauty stamp set and coordinating dies. Isn't that so awesome? And last but not least on the stamp sets is the Clubhouse. I like this one and this one for sure. And then here's the coordinating dies. Okay, I'm going to show you some of the accessories. So we've got these little mini heart tins. Aren't they so cute? The ribbon choices we have is this jute, and it is the braided burlap trim. We have the white crinkled seam binding. We have double stitch satin ribbon, that's in real red. We have the metallic edge ribbon, and that is petal pink. And then we have a mint macaron sheer linen ribbon. We have these heart doilies. So both of these colors, or you can turn them over and you can either use them on the white side, or you can paint them with your sponges or sponge daubers and make them a different color. We have some champagne rhinestones, best dress tassels. We have the Peaceful Poppy sequins, Country Club Elements, Country Club Twine, so nice colors. And then two more items for you. The Tropical Oasis trinkets and the From My Heart faceted gems. Okay, so all of these items will be available as a demonstrator in December. So if you're a demonstrator, you can pre-order the product in December. For our customers, it will be in January. So customers of mine, don't forget to request your catalogs. I do have the form over on my website. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.